get your New Balances, and just have fun with it, right? That's the whole thing.
Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm gonna bring this brand new addition. This is a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette, and it is just beautiful. It's a 1SB, so that's just like the 3LT of today, and it is done in this beautiful Monterey red, stealth gray interior, automatic. It has been locally owned here in Arizona its entire life, so this thing is just perfect and beautiful. Other than it's got a few rock chips on the windshield because, of course, we are in Arizona. But other than that, this thing is just amazing. It just rides and looks so good. If you're looking for a C6, this is definitely one for you. What we're gonna do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. 2005 Chevrolet Corvette 1SB, 26,000 miles on it. And this thing is just beautiful. Monterey red, stealth gray on the interior. It's in Arizona its entire life, so there are a few rock chips that you can see on through here. Nothing crazy, but does have that pebble up there. But this is in just such good shape all the way around. And then just a few of the rock chips. No big cracks, but there are a few rock chips. It's Arizona. But it is just beautiful. They only made 717 in this color for 2005. So that is just a super low number. It is such a beautiful color combination. I absolutely love this color combination. I have not seen one in person, and I like it, especially for the C6. Now we got 245 4018s on the front. Those are from 21. Great tread life on those. Those are the Goodyears. Those are the Eagles. But just look. I just love them when they're super low mileage like that. Now there are a few just small little ones right down here. Look at that, that's just a little bit of water. But rims are in great shape all the way around. Matching F1s. This is a 285 35 19 in the rear, and great tread. This was a bucket list for the current consignor on it, and just very well taken care of. She really took care of it. So I know obviously there's no loud exhaust, nothing on it. This rim's in good shape too. I'm just trying to see if there's any type of curb rash, but I just don't see any. Only little issues that we had down there were on that other side, maybe one right there, but there's one right there. It is very, very well kept. And then here, looking good on that one as well. But yeah, she did not put any type of loud exhaust, no engine mods, so everything is just like it should be from the factory. And you know it wasn't hot rodded. Well, you know what? Any Corvette, if you have a Corvette, you got to drive it fast. At least a few times. This has got the LS2, 26,000 miles on it. And again, even just the engine bay is in such good shape. And you can see just down in the headers, all that there's no type of rot or deterioration with the aluminum. It is Arizona its entire life. So I do like that. This is your chance and opportunity to get a very low mileage, super rare color. I love it. Now this one is the upgraded one. So basically it's like your 3LT. So all your power windows, power locks, memory, and the bows, along with heads up, power telescopic steering wheel, dual power seats. A little scuff right there, but I think that'll come out. Seats are in great shape. There's one little thing right there, but you can just tell very, very well taken care of. Heads up display, 6-disc CD changer, heated seats, all of the good stuff with that. Here, let's get the rear trunk access for the hatch. And again, just well cared for. No junk in the back. Carpet's all nice and clean. It's got the sunscreen. It is the hard top, so it has the paint matched hard top. Look at that. That gray is in such good shape. Even just with the seats, you'll see such good shape. All the power works. All the windows work up and down. Nice tint on the windows. Dash is in great shape. Just the way you want your C6. No accidents, clean Carfax. This is it. Let's see. Up and down. Yep. All right, let's get you guys buckled in. Right. There we go. Now, let's see. So we got all the lights, of course, work. Wipers work. A little squeaky on the way back. Stereo works. The 6-disc does work. I don't have one to try it out, but it does work. AC, everything blows cold. Heated seats, they work. I've already tested them. It's a beautiful day today, so don't need AC or the heat. Top off, hey, we're having a good day. 26,633 on the miles. Got the sunglasses. Now I got a 12 Grand Sport that's got, of course, a huge cam in it, all the exhaust, all the good stuff, super loud. And when you start something all the time, you get used to the loud noise. This doesn't have it. It's nice and quiet. And that's what I like about it, is that it's just really nice and quiet, and you can actually enjoy it. That's the biggest thing with this one, is that you can just enjoy it. Try to get you guys buckled in here. This keeps on falling down on me. You guys adjust it out just a little bit. There we go. Hopefully that'll hold. Yeah, they only made 717 in this color. I have not got it down on production for the Stealth Gray and whether, coupes and convertibles, but just total 717. The LS2, it just goes. Whether you're on the 6.0 or the 6.2, obviously 6.2 you get a little bit more horsepower, things like that, but this is such a great engine in the LS2. They're basically off of the same block, so you can, if you're wanting to do kind of upgrades, get it loud, you can do that. But with this, you just put it in your collection, you can drive it, you can enjoy it, get your New Balances, and just have fun with it, right? That's the whole thing. If you don't have a Corvette, you are missing out at least once. You got to have it on the bucket list so that you got that, hey, I had a Corvette, this was it, and then you'll reminisce on when you used to have it. That's the greatest thing about these and all the collector cars. But the Corvette, 26,000 miles, it's ready to go, it rides great. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. This one's ready to go. We have more than 300 photos. We have nationwide transport and online financing, all classiccaraddict.com. Remember, we do these videos to make sure you see exactly what you're getting. So whether you come here or we have them directly shipped to you, you can see exactly what it is. Like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Getting under this 2005 Chevrolet Corvette, and this is what you're going to get with only 20,000 miles. Just in really, really good shape. Just a hair over 20,000 miles, and this one has everything that you want. It is loaded up. It's got the LS2. See here, this is the automatic, and there's just no big damage, and it's been very well maintained. Everything that you want in your C6. Thanks for watching.